Hi YouTubers, this is Captain Mark. I got a new product. This is my tactical predator hunting light, which I purchased from Amazon. This kit's got everything in it, so let's get to the video. Today I got a new product. This is a little item I bought for my predator hunting. It's the Nitrate Z. It's complete hunting light kit by Predator Tactics. And this one is the green Nitrate. It's got a pair of rechargeable batteries. It's got a wall charger and a car charger. Scope stabilizer mount. This one will shine out to 250 yards or farther. A really nice plastic case it comes in. So let's open it up and see what we have inside. As you can see, this kit, it comes with the wall pack, the charger for it. Comes with the car charger, like it said, an extra rechargeable batteries. These are ICR, they're 1865s, 3000 milliamps at 3.7 volts. And they're made by Predator Tactics. So I haven't had to buy any batteries from them yet. And here is the rechargeable battery charger for them. Nice. This is the scope mount, and I'll be showing you how to mount it onto a scope. And here we have your dovetail mounts for a rifle. Man, this kit comes with everything. I like that. Let's take a look at the light itself. It's very heavy duty. It's waterproof. Push button on the bottom. A nice little grip for that so you don't miss it. Let's turn it on and I'll show you how bright it is. Ah, cool. I opted for the green instead of the red. I thought that'd be kind of cool, but both colors work just as well. The mount for this and the mount for your scope, you can, depending on what position you want to put it in. Very easy to mount it to your scope, easy to take off with this quick connect. It's nice and sturdy. It's not going to move around, so you can put it on your high-powered rifle if you like. Comes pretty much with everything. I'm excited to use it. I'm going to take it out at night and show you just how bright it is. I'm not going to be able to show you through the scope. It might be kind of hard to show, but I can show you how bright it is and how nice it is to use. Hi everyone, so I wanted to show you just how bright this light is, and we're going to turn it on right now. As you can see, it really covers a long ways. Now this is my driveway, and my driveway is 900 feet long. It really lights up the area. As you can see, it goes way down to the end of the driveway. And if there was a predator there, it would pick out their eyes real quick. And that's my review on the Nitrate Complete Tactical Hunting Light Kit. With the Nitrate, you are able to identify targets past 250 yards. Turn your weapon of choice into a night hunting machine with the Nitrate. Comes with 2 rechargeable batteries. The light only requires 1 battery, so you always have a backup on hand. It is also equipped with a wall charger and 2 mounts that allow you to attach it to rails, scopes, stabilizer, shotguns, and barrels. Comes with a lifetime warranty on the casing and a 5-year warranty on the LED bulb module. So you can't go wrong making this choice for the Predator Tactics. I'm going to show you right now how easy it is to interchange the lighting modules. Now this is a green, you can get it in red, but it's a quick and easy way to remove it. Comes off in seconds. Comes out there and you just easily turn it. Now you can purchase these modulars on the Predator Tactics site, and that's all it is right there. A little LED bulb. Goes in easy, comes out easy. Quick change. And back on with the head. Get this on quick. It's got rubber gaskets in there, or O-rings, so it won't leak, and it's waterproof. This kit retails for $139.99 on Amazon, which I will leave the link down below. I'm going to give it a Captain Mark's 4-star review. So if you think the information I gave you is useful in purchasing this product or any of the other products that I review on my channel, why don't you hit the subscribe button down below and hit the bell to the right to catch my upcoming videos. And this is Captain Mark with Captain Mark Reviews saying again, thank you so much for watching.